Practice exam, multiple choice number 3. We know the slope of a curve, and we know that when x is 0, the y value is 2. Use Euler's method with a step size of 0.5 to estimate where the y value will be when x is 1. So you definitely have to have this formula memorized, which says the next y value will be the previous y value plus your step size, your horizontal increment, delta x, multiplied by what the slope was at the previous point. So, table might be the way to go. The very first point is 0, 2. What's the slope at 0, 2? It's right here. It's the inverse sine of 0 times 2, which is the arcsine of 0, which is the angle whose sine ratio is 0, which is 0 radians. All right, we're going to go to x equals, we'll do the increment of 0.5, and we'll use Euler's method. The next y value will be the previous one plus the increment times the slope at that previous point, 0, 2, which was 0. 2 plus 0.5 times 0 is still just 2. All right, so our estimate when x is 0.5 is 2. What about the slope at this point? Again, it's going to be the arcsine of the x value here times the y value, which is the arcsine of 1. The angle whose sine ratio is 1 is pi over 2 radians. The slope at 0.5 comma 2 is pi over 2. All right, so then we do the increment one more time, and we're exactly where they wanted us to be, which is 1. And the y value will be the previous y value, again, following the formula, plus the increment times the slope at the previous point. And our final answer is that when x is 1, the y value is 2 plus a half of pi, or a fourth of pi. Final answer.